Introducing the cool, new cleaning machine from China. A compact yet powerful device designed to make cleaning faster and easier. Equipped with high-speed brushes, strong suction, and a smart water spray system. This innovative machine delivers deep, efficient results on various surfaces. Perfect for home or commercial use. It combines modern technology with user-friendly controls to give you spotless cleaning with minimal effort. The high-tech CNC lathe machine is a futuristic metal cutting tool that uses intense flame beams to shape metal with extreme precision. Fully automated and touch-free, it can craft complex forms effortlessly, making manufacturing faster, cleaner, and smarter than ever. The beak trimming and vaccination combo machine operates with high precision, performing both processes simultaneously in the showroom. Fully automated, it identifies healthy chicks, trims and vaccinates them efficiently, then sorts them into packaging boxes ready for fast distribution. The cornstalk cutting machine operates using a large, rotating cylinder with sharp serrated blades, cutting through corn plants quickly and cleanly. At the same time, it automatically sucks the cut stalks into its storage bin, leaving the field clean and ready for replanting on the same day.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
The bricklaying machine builds walls with incredible speed and precision, completing house construction projects without any human intervention. It follows the architect's design accurately, laying bricks up to 1,000 times faster than manual labor. Using this machine saves time, money, and energy, making construction smarter and more efficient.
But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, you can still go, go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
The automatic filling machine accurately dispenses liquids or pastes into containers with speed and precision, ideal for food, cosmetics, and chemical industries. This machine boosts productivity while reducing waste and manual labor.
Alright guys, I know that there's a lot of background noise right now, but if you are processing large batch orders, Mighty Hoops are the way to go. I mean, the fact that I can break down and reset a machine and have it going again in about another 3 minutes is fantastic. I mean, we're really not that far behind here from this one. Again, if you really want to up your embroidery game, Mighty Hoops is the way to go. These are the 11 by 13s in here. These are running on Vision machines, 1 822, the order generation. And then they have B Vision 2 head here, as you can see, which is the newer generation. Again, if you're interested in Mighty Hoops, use my affiliate link. You'll see it in the description here. That'll hook you up with free shipping. That'll save you a pretty decent amount of money. Absolutely, totally worth it. Also want to give a little shout out to the Hoopmaster Hooping Station. This is an absolute godsend in accurate hooping and saving a ton of time. Again, so for those of you that want to up your embroidery game, whether you have a single head mirror machine, single head vision machine, or two head vision machine, or two heads, or 3 or 4 or 5, or however many that you guys have, Mighty Hoops is the absolute way to go for accuracy every time. Yes, they do come at a decent price, but you know what? At the end of the day, with that affiliate link, it means free shipping. That'll save you some money there. But in my opinion, these are the only way to go for magnet hoops. Definitely much better than their competitors out there. Other than that, stay tuned for more content as it comes. Have a great night.
Are you a rice farmer? Oh, you might be out of a job soon. This robot farmer is here to steal your work, planting rice 1,000 times faster than any human. And if you're a businessman, good news. No need to hire humans anymore. This guy doesn't ask for water, food, smoke breaks, or a paycheck. Ha ha ha. The future is here, and it's not hungry.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.